Hi, are you trying to fix orange hair? Or are you trying to fix brassy hair? Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Color, and in this video I'm going to explain to you why hair gets orange and brassy in the first place and the two-step technique of how to fix it. Okay, let's go. So the thing you need to know about hair as you lift it is this. As you lift hair, it goes from orange to yellow-orange to yellow to pale yellow. And the reason your hair is so orange or so brassy is very simple. It just has not been lifted enough. And there's some people who say, oh, my hair pulls orange, or I use well water and that's why my hair turned orange. But that just isn't so. Hair is orange for one reason and one reason only. It has not been lifted enough. So the first step in the two-step technique I talked to you about is that you're going to have to lift that orange hair with bleach. The bleach we're using today is Brilliant Blonde X. It's got bond protecting, it's very, very gentle, and as you can see it produces a really nice creamy white mix which is gentle on the scalp and gentle on the hair. At the same time it's got great lift. And you need to lift it until you get to level 10, because people sometimes ask us, how long do I leave the bleach in the hair? And the answer is really simple. You leave it until you get to a consistent level 10 from roots to ends. If for some reason it's not there after 30 minutes, rinse and make a second mix with 20 volume developer and reapply and make sure you get it to level 10 like in this picture. And now we get to step 2 in our two-step technique. We're going to tone. And to tone, you can see from this chart here that what you need is a violet-based toner, violet-based color. That's what can neutralize the remaining yellow left in the hair the best. So to tone today, we used a combination of 10.2, which is a violet-based color, and intense violet blonde, 7.22. And the two put together gave us this really gorgeous white blonde result. And this is the kind of look that you can create in your salon very easily. But don't forget, 2 steps. First bleach really, really well, and then tone, and you'll be good.